All right, today I have a Nissan Frontier and I'm going to show you how to fold down the rear seats so you can have more cargo space to put things in there. Also, how to fold up the bottom, the seat portion of the seat, so you can also have more cargo space inside of your vehicle. I'm going to show you this. It's going to come in real handy when you are trying to load a lot of things that you don't want in the rear of the truck. All right, I'm going to show you how to do this. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. I'm in the rear of this Nissan Frontier. Now, if you want to fold down the seats, I'm going to do it with this part first, and then I'm going to show you down right here. And if you want to fold down the seat flat so you can add some stuff in the back, what you're going to do is you're going to come into the vehicle and you'll see this lever right here, right? You'll see this. What I'm going to do is, this is a pulley system. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this up and then push the seat forward. Now, if the front seat is not, if it doesn't go down all the way, you may need to scoot up the front seat. That's happened right there. So now this is laid down flat, okay? So now I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna show you, and then I'll do the seat portion. All right, so I'm gonna go back on this side, and I'm gonna open this up, and I'm going to find the lever, the pulley on this side. I'm gonna pick this up and fold it down. Now you see the middle seat also went down. Now see what I was talking about? This is not up far enough, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to adjust the front seat. I'm gonna scoot this forward by using the power seat, and now go to the back and look, I have all of this. If you want to, you can go ahead and pull this around and push this back so you can have some stuff in here. All right, now if I want to put this back up, I'll simply take this, click this into place, and then I'll go back over to the other side and I'll do the exact same thing right here until it locks into place. Make sure it's locked in place. Now moving on to the seat portion. If you want to raise this up so you can add things to the back part of the cab, what you'll do is you'll come down here and you see this right here. This right here is, pull this upward, and then you can raise the seat. Now look at the space you have in there. And I'm gonna do it to the other side as well. I'm gonna walk over to the other side and, oh, that fell down. I'll pick it up later. And pull this levy system and then pick it up, and it should stay. You put some stuff in there, it should stay. But it's might fall down. I'm gonna go do the other side. I see it fell down. So you pick it up and you might need to hold it back down, PLP. Put it up right here. And let me climb over here so I can show you all at once. Pull that up. So now I have both seats up so you can add things inside of the vehicle. And that is how you fold the seats down flat and raise the seat portion up so you can have more cargo space in your Nissan Frontier. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. But before I get going, I'm gonna go ahead and take this, push it down, it locks into place, and that's how you do it. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.